Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Kaya. I know it has been a while since we've done this, but we're back and we are ready to infuse your life. Today I do have two awesome people joining me that actually work at Kaya Cannabis with us. I do have here Maddie, who is the store manager at our Colfax location, and I also have Blake here, who is the shift lead at our Lakewood location as well. So thank you guys for joining me today.
It's a pleasure.
Yes.
It's a pleasure as always.
Well, we do want to, get started right away because we do have a couple items that we have to make. So Maddie, why don't you start us off?
We're gonna be starting with some spooky sugar skull cookies. So they're gonna be infused in the dough, and then we're gonna decorate them with our own little cookie icing. It's gonna be great. First, we took a half cup of can of butter and then a half cup of regular butter. You can do a full cup of can of butter depending on how strong you want the cookies to be. But we did a half and half because we're making a lot of things today. And that's not the move. But after we melt those down into a bowl, you mix that into a bigger bowl with 1 egg, a cup of sugar, 2.5 cups of flour. And then you go in and add a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a teaspoon of salt. And after you mix that all together, it should form a dough. And then you cover that with some saran wrap, and we're gonna put it in the fridge for at least an hour.
1 hour later.
Alright, we run down. Find out.
Read out some good.
A few moments later.
This looks so horrendous.
That's the one. Mom, it's you. I just like making skulls and everything. Hey, we have more cookies. Don't you limit yourself. I should have not filled it in. God damn it, that's right. I can see why this is a workout.
Took our sugar cookies out of the oven and put them in the fridge for a quick cooling. And now we have our own decorated spooky sugar skull cookies that are infused. So dough's infused.
Yes.
So dose yourself accordingly.
Let's dig in. I will try my scary Joker cookie.
I want to bite of yours. I want to bite of yours.
My angry man right here.
All right. Cheers, friends.
Cheers, y'all.
All right. I love a good basic sugar cookie.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Can't go
Though I will say,
Everything we made today, fire.
I can taste the weed in this one.
Can't hold on, yeah.
This one you can. You will know. But nice. All right.
The frosting offsets it a little.
That's the one.
It's good though. It's really good.
Yo, we're high. We're dosed.
We're ready to eat more.
We're ready for our holiday parties.
Yes.
We added 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, a 1/2 cup of white sugar, and a 1/3 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/2 cup of can of butter, and a 1/4 cup of milk. And we brought it to a simmer, put it on low heat. Once it brought to the simmer, you take it off the heat after stirring for 5 more minutes. After that, you add 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, 4 cups of quick oats, half cup of coconut unsweetened to garnish it.
All right.
Perfect. Our no-bake cookies came out of the fridge and they look delicious and we're ready to enjoy these.
Yes. All right, everybody, grab one and go.
I'm so excited for these.
Yes. Ready? Cheers. Wow. No bake cookies. Fantastic. And the oats, oh my god. But also the worst part is I cannot taste any of the peanut butter in there.
It does not taste like
No.
meat at all.
Oh my
I
goodness.
taste peanut butter and pumpkin.
A little bit of coconut. This is fantastic. Man. Great choice on this one.
I'm liking this a lot.
Well, now we are going to be making a Bloody Mary Jane. We are not going to be using vodka though, because we are going to be infusing it with some dialed in liquid gummies. And let's go. All right.
We're also going to get the party started here too.
Yes. So, of course, when always making any drinks or consuming any cannabis, properly always dose yourself if you are very cautious on your dosage. Blake, you did say that you wanted to do a 10 milligram for this one?
I did, yes.
Perfect. Awesome. So do a 10 milligram here. And then, Maddie, you said basically 2 shots of vodka in there for you?
Yep, 2 shots of
2 shots of vodka. All right.
Shots of vodka.
We'll probably do like 4 of them in there. 3 of them. We'll do 30 milligrams in there. You know, the turn up.
shots, but it's
Yeah, there you go. Same thing for me. Why not? Let's just live a little. All right, let's use the other one now.
Nice.
We got 2 just in case. We're just gonna.
I love it.
This is fine. Okay. Blake, you got your 10. We got you.
It's like Blake's first.
Perfect. So now that we have our cannabis in there, we're going to go ahead and add the tomato juice in there as well. So for our perfect Bloody Mary Jane, we went ahead, of course, and added our dialed in gummies, as well as already added some lemon juice and some Tabasco sauce in there. And then once we are ready to... Bloopers. All right, guys. So we kind of got our base already ready for our Bloody Mary Janes. So of course, we already added our liquid dialed-in gummies in there. We also added some lime juice as well as a little bit of Tabasco sauce, like of course your classic Bloody Mary. So now, oops, sorry. Blake, this one is yours.
Awesome.
Maddie. Perfect. Myself, and then off camera we do have one for Michael as well, if we can reach. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and just pour in our tomato juice in there. Go a little hard in that, and let me know if you guys want some more. But oh,
So satisfying.
right? All right.
So
Well-
I think we'll take some more tomatoes.
No, you are good.
It's gonna be very kind of cannabisy.
Oh, sorry, that's a lot. You want
You
more?
want
I
more?
was gonna keep.
All right.
All right.
I got a man over here. Cheers, somebody.
Oh wow, it's actually really good.
Not bad.
This is a must at any party now. Oh my god.
Add half of a cup of can of butter to a saucepan. Add 6 cups of mini marshmallows into the can of butter. Stir until it's fluffy. Add 7 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. Stir until mixed completely. Then put on cookie sheet. Wait until it cools down and enjoy. Kind of white sauce. And then cramp that out. I got frosting. Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow,
Those are good.
are dangerously good. Oh man.
Those are amazing.
Oh man.
That's so good.
No,
Please let me take some more.
we're gonna get ripped. Yeah.
THC infused pumpkin seeds. We did About 2 to 3 cups of raw pumpkin seeds. We spread those on 2 different pans because we were doing some sweet and some salty. So for the sweet, we did some brown sugar. For the salty, we did some garlic salt. So first you take your 3 cups of pumpkin seeds, you spread them amongst one pan. You sprinkle some salt, pretty much your choosing of how much salt, and your choice of spices for whatever flavoring you'd like. But we took 2 to 3 tablespoons of the THC butter, and then we did 2 tablespoons of the regular butter as well, that we put on top of the pumpkin seeds. We put those in the oven for 15 minutes, and we just let those cool down.
Few moments later.
Perfect. So now we have taken out our pumpkin seeds out of the oven. This is our finished product. Of course, we did 1/2 of a garlic salt, the other half brown sugar and salt as well too, to have a really good mix of a sweet and salty. And dig in. Let's go. The garlic one is amazing.
Oh, the brown sugar.
Mm-hmm.
That was so good.
They're great. This is a must-have if y'all like snacking on pumpkin seeds. Infuse them.
This is the one, and again, I cannot still not taste
The only
any of
thing
the
I think we
cannabis.
might have missed, like Cajun seasoning. That would
That's
be so
true.
good.
But spice it up. Spice them up any way you'd like, and let us know what spices you prefer on your pumpkin seeds. Let's get a handful and go. Yes. But a little wrap up again of everything that we have done. We infused some Rice Krispies. We had infused pumpkin seeds as well with cinnamon, with sugar, brown sugar, and garlic salt. And then we also did no-bake peanut butter pumpkin cookies. We had a Bloody Mary as well. I'm like, should we? I can't.
That was good. We had an infused Bloody Mary.
There we go.
And we made our spooky cookies.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy, and let us know what you make for your Halloween treats or Day of the Dead treats as well too. And stay tuned for our next Cooking with Kaya. Thank you guys again for joining me.
Thank you. See y'all next time.
It was fun.
Bye.